Hello my amazing friends, as always thank you so much for all your support, good comments. I still receiving lots of private messages wishing me good health. I'm getting better day by day, you know. So anyway, we have I would call a 3 of 3 maybe video unboxing review. That's the last canvas left right now to review from my latest package that I've received. So let's see what on the inside, which I already know for you to find out. As always, a little reminder, if you wish to order anything from Paint and Fairy, links will be in the description box under my video, and you can save additional 5% discount code if you use the word Natalia. You will save 5% from your orders, and if you order a lot, it will save you lots of money. Okay, so let's check it out and see. Maybe you already have this design, and I think someone of you already stitching this. I think I saw this in my Facebook group. So let's check it out. Do you have this underwater world? There you go. So because I've received these two designs, this one and the pink girl with teddy bear, so in this one I don't have a package with tools because it was just like a one gift from me as a collaboration reviewer. So in here we're not going to have the tools, but let's see this design. It's going to be lots of pretty blue colors in here. Okay, so see, this one don't have that wonderful packaging like the other two designs have. So maybe because this was printed and packaged before, because now they have like a little envelope with the button lock for the papers. This one is just a staple together. But look at this design. Look at this design. Isn't it beautiful? Like the water reflection on a dolphin. So dolphin with mama. Yeah, definitely it's a two dolphins, and lots of beautiful fishes. So colorful, so many beautiful fish in here. Wow, it can like take it for a while to look all the details in here. Look at those beautiful underwater creatures, the corals, flowers, and the waters. Looks like something up there on the top, maybe a ship or just a reflection from the sun. Very nice, very nice. Let me pull out first so we don't squeak anymore after this. Okay, yeah, I have another osmanthus. Osmanthus feels like a baby powder. It smells really good, fresh. Make a canvas fresh, and maybe this and packaging together save my canvases from water damage. Okay, underwater world. Let's see what we have in here. How many colors would be here? Because it looks very colorful. That's a one page? Yeah, I guess so. Feels like need to separate. No, I guess that's a one page. 43 colors. Is that's all we have? Okay, 43 colors. Kind of surprisingly low from Paint and Fairy. But let's see, I don't know. Looks very colorful, unless lots of those colors repeat. Okay. So far, all designs from Paint and Fairy has a very beautiful outcome as a stitched designs. Because I see lots of them stitched. They post on their Facebook page, on Instagram or TikTok. Please follow them all on this social media on their pages, and you can sign in into their website, and you will have like a letter to see what's going on, what's new in the store. So yeah, 43 colors in here, all full cross stitch, and that's it. Okay, I thought would be more colors, so I'm kind of surprised right now, but look at that. Lots of, obviously, like a blue, lots of repeats. You think that's enough of the colors? Probably, because Paint and Fairy all is by the quality. So let's see, canvas first, what kind of size we have in here. I wish they would put like in here, like in centimeters size, but they don't. They put only in stitches. So let's see, this one is looks 14, yeah, 14 count, and we have 402 by width and 302 high. Okay, usually they have like a big chunks of fabric on each side. On this side, I think that's the least canvas that I see so far. We have a big chunk in here, big in here, big on the top in here. On this side, it's a little bit less, but still bigger than would be the other brand. You know, so still, and canvas, wow, look at the print, the clarity of the print. Isn't that beautiful? You can see basically, here is your dolphin, big one, little one. Can you see everything? Look how beautiful print in here. Look at the symbol wise. It will be so easy to stitch. Look at that. Look at the quality. Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, still loving it. Paint and Fairy did not let me down yet. I did not see any canvas yet that would be like damaged, because they really do control inspection, so no one would receive bad canvas unless it got damaged on the way before they deliver to you, like, you know. But their packing is really good. See, even I have a box on the outside, very damp from the rain. On the inside, everything looks good. Everything looks good. So for 14 and 16 count threads, it's the same amount of the threads, so you don't have to worry you will run now. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's why not too many colors, because we have lots of repeat colors. Look how beautiful. Like a little sandwich of two colors. So this is 3845 and 3760 DMC code. What a beautiful, pretty shading. And here it is, one of my favorite turquoise ribbon. And look at those blue colors in here. Oh, baby blue. Some pinks for the corals. Look at that. So I guess yeah, this is the one that we have a one thread in here. It's balloon for this lighter one color to add, and I guess this one 3760, yeah, that's the other one that we have to add dark color. So it's a 2, I guess 2, and they have it's a meter long, I believe, meter long threads, because they are folded. Wow, it's like a candy in the store for kids. Threads from me. This bright, very bright cherry colors in here in this design. Look at this, two like light colors, how beautiful they look together, these two colors. Lots of blues. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, not too many colors, but we do have a plastic palettes in here with the print. Oh, my chandelier down. Here's the Paint and Fairy print. Oh, it's reflecting. Reflecting. Get it back. Come on. Come on. Focus. 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 Yeah, you can see the print up there. It keeps getting after focus because it's close. So there you have it. What do you think about this? Do you think it's enough colors in here? I would guess so. By trust in this brand, I wouldn't doubt that this would be still look very, very pretty, because lots of colors are repeat. Because beautiful bright blue. Okay, I'm not gonna even open because it's so pretty. And yes, look at this one more time. All those colors. If you are the one who love underwater world, and I know lots of people stitching dolphins or whales or like beluga, lots of people like this kind of stuff. Tell me. I believe somebody already started. I saw the picture somewhere. Tell me in the comments if that's you, and please show your update on my channel, not on my channel, on Facebook group pictures, so we can see your progress, and tell us if you're happy with the colors number, because I think, look at that, look at that clownfish, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Look at this like corals or weeds, whatever up there. Such a pretty, love it design. Well, thank you for this beautiful gift. I appreciate this extra gift. It's warming up my heart, make my day when I was sad to receive some extra special gift from my favorite brand. It's always nice treat. Thank you very much. So yes, my friends, if you love this design, please go ahead and order. I'm not sure if this is limited edition or not. It could be run out of the store. So if you want to catch it, please order, and you can save some extra 5% with my discount link. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.